Okay, and we have some onions, green pepper, garlic, 2 eggs, coriander, some breadcrumbs or matzo meal, some chickpeas soaked in water for 24 hours, cumin, carbonated soda, and some salt.
So the falafel mix is ready now. I'm gonna create little balls and fry them in the oil until they nice and brown.
Hello everybody, we're doing now tahina, yes? Okay, so
I didn't like it really.
okay, so we have garlic, water, lemon juice, salt, and tahini paste. Here you go. So I put first tahina. We're going to do now hummus. So we have 2 teaspoons of salt, 1.5. We have half a cup of lemon juice. We have like 3/4 of the water, 1 jar of boiled chickpeas, and we'll take 2 garlic and some tahina paste again. So we put this one okay, everything is ready. Now you take a pita bread, open it up like that. It should be a nice pocket. You take first hummus and you spread it inside like that, all nice and leveled. You see, great. Take a tahina, also spread it all nice and level like that. And then you take a little bit of salad like that, and you take falafel. Take 1, 2, 3, and take some pickles. Take another 1 bowl. Take a little bit more salad. And put some more tahina on top. And here you are. Lovely pita falafel. Delicious. L'chaim. Everybody ready for this? This is. I was dreaming it. Your pickles? Try pickles.